There's a lot that goes into a medical center.
First thing in the morning, I go around to the patient rooms and I tell them what I'm gonna do. I'll be pulling their trash, cleaning and sanitizing everything.
Sanitize, sanitize, sanitize.
All units have to work together for it to work properly.
We help each other, we're there for each other. It's about teamwork.
I like working. I like the people I work with.
Make them feel like it's their home too. And make the whole experience about UT Medical Center, whether you're the housekeeper, the nurse, or office worker, or anybody. Just make people feel at home while they're here, comfortable.
This is a great place to work.
I enjoy my job very much.
I like working for EVS because I feel like I'm making a difference.
I like my job because of the patients. They're very important to me.
Enjoy being here. I mean, I'm 70-year-old, still here.